The PowerPatch leak repair system provides fast and effective in-field leak repair. It is designed for easy application and can be applied on vertical or inverted surfaces. It bonds to polyethylene, lead, aluminum, ceramic, and steel. PowerPatch system comes in 3 different blends. Use gloves and safety glasses. Follow your company's rules for working around energized equipment. First, find the leak or area to be repaired. Then sand or grind 3 inches 75 mm around the leak area to remove all loose particles, oxides, and paint. For lead, use prescribed work methods. For pipe joints or hatch covers, the entire seam needs to be sealed. Next, determine the amount of PowerPatch needed. Cut about 1/2 inch of the putty and knead putty for about 1 minute until it's a uniform color. Next, clean the leak area with the cleaning wipe provided. Use just the amount of putty needed. For a pinhole, roll the putty into a large pea-sized ball. For a crack or joint, roll the putty into a rope about 1/4 inch 5 mm thick. Save some putty so you can tell when the applied putty has hardened. Place the putty over the hole and firmly hold it in place with your thumb or palm until the putty is hard. Clean area again with the cleaning wipe provided. Make sure there's no leak. If there is a leak, remove putty and try again. Now you're ready to install the permanent PowerPatch sealant. Mix cups by placing Part B, white paste, into Part A, black paste. For the cartridge, place cartridge into the tool. Prime cartridge so both the white and black materials come out. Apply PowerPatch sealant to cover the putty and 1/2 inch to 1 inch, 13 to 25 mm beyond it. The PowerPatch sealant needs to be 1/4 inch, 5 mm thick. Smooth PowerPatch sealant edges. The repair is done. The area can be painted immediately. PowerPatch does not need air to cure. For more information, contact your Polywater distributor or contact American Polywater.